Hi, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix the Helldivers 2 crashing problem. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do here is to check the firewall settings. So just make sure that your firewall or your antivirus isn't blocking Helldivers 2. So add the game exe file to the allowed apps, and after that you can also try to disable Steam input. So just right click the Helldivers 2 in your Steam library. So just go to the properties and then controller and then click into the disable Steam input. So this resolved crashing for some players. So after that, you also can what can also do is to update the graphic drivers. So outdated GPU drivers can cause stability issues, so just download the latest drivers directly from NVIDIA or AMD. And then next, you can verify the game files. So just right click the Helldivers in Steam and then select properties and then go to the local files and then click on the verify integrity of game files. So this scans for corrupt files. So after that, you can also try to close the background apps. So Discord, Chrome, Spotify, and other programs can interfere with games. So just shut them all down before launching Helldivers 2. And then lastly, what you can do is to adjust the graphics settings. So just try lowering resolution, toggling VSync, reducing particles, and lowering overall quality of presets if crashing persists. And so that's it for this video. Those are some troubleshooting steps that you can do if you're having the crashing issue on your Helldivers game. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.